Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about how to download Android apps on PC. First, let's open Google Chrome. Go to the search bar, type Google Play Store, and hit enter. Click on the first link that comes up. On the Google Play Store, you'll see options for apps for Windows, mobile, tablets, and even watches. Search Instagram on search bar. As you can see, the option to download it to a Windows device isn't available. Don't worry, we have another option for downloading apps on your PC, the Microsoft Store. Let me show you how. First, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and search for Microsoft Store. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, you'll see a lot of apps to choose from. Type Instagram in the search bar, and you'll see it pop up. Click Install to download it. After the download finishes, you'll see the Instagram app in your Start menu or at the bottom sidebar. You can now use the app right on your PC. Let's try another app. Search for Spotify in the Microsoft Store and click Install. Once it's downloaded, you'll be able to use Spotify directly from your PC. And that's it! You can now easily download apps on your PC using the Microsoft Store. Whether it's Instagram, Spotify, or many other apps, they're just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you found this video helpful.